Hello there. A problem that I've noticed with my new Wiim Ultra. When I'm watching the movie, it sometimes clipping the sound, clipping in random places. I was trying to find some kind of time code on the movie to show you it up. It's not repeatable so far. Let's try now. Maybe it will happen. Maybe it's not. Let's give it a try. So look fine this time. All right. Anyway, if you're experiencing the clipping of your sound when you're um, streaming the video through your Wiim Ultra to your amplifier and then to the loudspeakers, I found the solution. Most probably it happens because you have a multi-channel audio track on your movies, and sometimes it seems like it's overloading the internal DAC of Wiim Ultra and it starts clipping the sound. So the solution that I came up with is to go to your settings, to your Apple TV settings, video and audio, and audio format. You have to change the audio format that you're giving to Wiim Ultra and set it up as a stereo. As soon as I did it, everything was fine, everything is playing okay. Obviously in stereo, but I don't need more. I have just two speakers. This is my living room, not home theater. So, but at least that works. Please keep in mind.